guys, and welcome back to another Meals of the Week video. 7 plant-based meals that are easy and quite quick to make. These ones are, when I filmed a lot of these, it was when in the middle of a heat wave, so I didn't want anything that was too labour intensive. So yeah, nice, quick, easy meals. If I have a recipe for any of them, then I'll link them down below. But yeah, hope you enjoy. So for today's dinner, it's a bit of a weird thrown together one. We've got some salad, grew that in the garden, got some cucumber, some hummus with smoked paprika on it, some homemade falafel fritters. I got the recipe off of Pinterest. I have made them before as well. And then this is just tempeh with like some salt added, pepper, maple syrup and some chili flakes, and then I've just sprinkled on some walnuts, and that is what we have for our dinner this evening. So for today's dinner, we've got chicken salad wraps. So these are the green cuisine southern fried sort of strip things. Some mayo in there, cucumber and lettuce. I've got some corn on the cobs, which I've done in the air fryer, and some McCain oven chips. This is what we've got for today's dinner. In case you haven't heard it enough already this week, it's hot. So we've got a quiche that I have not cooked, I've just put on the plate. All of this is cold stuff. These are tinned potatoes, which I haven't used since I was a kid and we used to go camping. But I was going to do some little rosemary potatoes, but I don't want to put the oven on. And then I've just added a little bit of butter and some mint to the potatoes, and that is our dinner for today. So for today's dinner, we've got a orzo pesto salad. So it's orzo pasta, some pesto, tin of sweet corn, olives and some sun-dried tomatoes. So we have this, it's now cold, so it's nice and cool for a hot day, and that is our dinner for today. So for today's dinner, we've got this sort of stir-fry rice dish. So it's got the vegan sausages in there, it's got courgette, pepper, mushrooms, onion. That's all from our veg box apart from the courgette. And so I fried up the sausages and the veg, cooked the rice separately, then added it into the pan and just fried it off a bit. Also some garlic in there as well. Yeah, and that's what we've got for our dinner this evening. So for today's dinner, we've got burger and sort of some loaded fries, although they're just normal chips. So we've just got the Beyond Meat burger, some vegan cheese and some onions in there. And these are the loaded fries, so they're just the McCain oven chips with some vegan cheese on there, some guacamole, and this Wagamama vegan katsu sauce, which is really nice. And then we've just got some corn on the cob, which is done in the air fryer, and that is our dinner for this evening. So for our dinner today, we've got these wraps. So I've added in some mayo, some salad, and then we've got this tempeh, which I've fried in some oil, and then added some salt, maple syrup and some chili flakes, and then just fried that. And then I'm just going to add them into the wraps. And then we've also got these potatoes that I've done. These have got smoked paprika and garlic granules and salt on them. So I just chop the potatoes up, add the oil, smoked paprika, garlic, salt, and then put it in the oven about 200 degrees for about 40-ish minutes, and you get these beautiful little potatoes. And that is what we have for our dinner this evening.